Welcome back. Tonight we're going to this place right here. Yummy Crab Seafood. It's located on 161 Celanese Road in Rock Hill, South Carolina. Yeah, he's with me again on his phone. So let's go in and see what this place is like. Alright, here's the menu. It's kind of concerning me a little bit because there ain't nobody in here. It's kind of like a ghost town in here. She says it's because I ain't got a liquor license yet, so.
But it's coming, what they said.
Yeah, it's coming, so we'll see here. This is what we got to look at, so.
I'll get you.
Alright, look here. We got some cheese sticks. And I ordered this right here. What'd you get?
1 pound snow crab, 1 pound shrimp.
Alright. Cheese sticks ain't bad. They ain't the best I ever had, but they ain't horrible either. They just taste a little doughy. You know, I don't know how to explain that, but it's like a beer battered cheese stick, and it just tastes just a little tiny bit doughy, but I mean, this cheese is good. We'll see. Y'all don't go nowhere. We got his balloon. I told him that thing's got PFEs in it or something, man. Ain't that plastic got some kind of thing when it gets hot, puts off noxious gas or something?
Obnoxious gas?
Noxious. Whatever.
More obnoxious than I already am.
Shut up. That's mine. I got 3 different kinds of fish on there. I wonder how I'm gonna be able to tell them apart. They got him a bucket to put his stuff in here. My man putting on gloves to eat with.
I ain't never done it before.
Open that bag up. Let me look and see how much food's in it. It don't look like a whole lot of food for like $38.
That's a good bit.
Is it?
Looks like it.
He gonna eat out of the bag. I hope I don't get a copyright strike because of the music in the background, but this song been going on for like 35 minutes. I mean, this is like the never-ending song. You know what I mean? It's been going on a long darn time. I tell you what, that slaw is off the chain, son. I mean, good. I can't say I'm displeased. The fries are good. Kind of crunchy. Fish is good so far. I ain't got to the catfish yet. Second verse, same as the first.
It's a different song. Same.
Oh, it sounds all the same to me. I mean, that darn song's been going on for 39 minutes now. She came back to the table and I asked her could she throw in some Van Halen. That ain't gonna happen.
Hey, at least she knew what it was.
Yeah, she's young, but she knew what Van Halen was, so that's a plus. Third verse, same as the first. I think this catfish out of Catawba River. Kind of tastes like Catawba River. Pretty good though. Hope it ain't got that Catawba River herpes.
Hopefully you'll start growing extra arms and legs and
Start having sores. How's yours, Troy?
I'm still going.
Still going.
Yeah, I'm eating the mess out of this stuff. It's good.
He says it's good. I'm still drilling on mine too. That dang song finally went off. Holy moly. It was like 47 minutes it went off. I'm pretty pleased so far. I don't eat a whole lot of tilapia. And I don't eat a whole lot of catfish. I catch a lot of catfish, but I don't eat a whole lot. So it's a little different for me. but I like it. It's pretty good. The slaw is to die for. You hear me? It's good. They don't give you enough. It's that little old teeny cup right there. See how big my finger is? They need more slaw, but I'm good. I'm just sitting here watching Troy dig in that bag. It must be pretty good. He ain't said a whole lot of nothing since he got that bag, so he's been real quiet. He just look at you and do that.
Growl if you get too close to the food, right?
I gotta say I'm pretty impressed. There was one piece of fish that I could not finish. I don't know what it is.
I like catfish.
I had catfish, tilapia, and flounder, 2 pieces of each. And none of the fish tasted like that. That was real strong. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about or not, but it was real strong. I just couldn't eat it. But everything else was good. It just had a real strong flavor on that fish. So far so good. Service has been good. She's kept us swimming in tea and everything else, so can't complain so far. That song is on again.
I don't know if that's the same.
That's the same darn song. Yeah, I mean that's like that 37-minute song. I can't believe
We'll know
it.
if it's the same song if it comes on again with.
Oh, it's the same song. I heard it. I mean, it's whiny. You know, it sounds like a. I don't know. I don't listen to that kind of music, so. But yeah, it's whiny sounding, so I know that's the same song.
It's
Anyway,
not the same song.
I found out that this piece of fish is tilapia. So I found out I don't like tilapia, I don't think. The other piece wasn't that strong. The waitress we had was really nice to us. Very helpful on everything. I can't complain with the service or the food, really. I mean, look, fish, I don't eat a whole lot of fish.
But you fish like heck.
But I do fish a lot. I ate fish on Tuesday. I ate fish again this week. That's probably the most fish I've eaten a year. So, but I found out I don't like tilapia. All right, this was our waitress. Tell them your name.
Haley.
Haley. She was good.
She was awesome.
She was awesome. And she was giving us all kind of hints and tips on this food. We was telling about the cooking channel. So as for Haley, if you come up here to the Yummy Crab located on Celanese Rd in Rock Hill, South Carolina.
She'll take care of you.
She'll take care of you. See you later. All right, I know y'all can't see me real good, but we're done. Food wasn't bad. What say you?
That was real good.
I think we both give them a 10. Like I say, the only thing I really had a problem with was that one piece of fish. And I thought the cheese sticks were a little doughy at first. Maybe it was just, I ain't had a cheese stick in a while. So, service was great. Food was great. Cannot complain. So, y'all check them out. Till next time, please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see y'all later.